Hello guys, how are you today? And I am here right now at the border of Canada and United States of America, and this is the shuttle to British Columbia and going to Vancouver, and it will take from the boundary to the downtown of Vancouver. It will take you 45 minutes, and from here to the downtown of Shuttle, it will take you 1 hour and 30 minutes. So look at this, it's really amazing. It's really a park, it's really peaceful here to come. So would you like to visit us once more and be able to join us? And remember, it's been 100 years that the border has already been opened and declare friendship between the two nations, United States of America and Vancouver. Remember, everyone's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God. See you everyone right here, right now in the border of United States and Canada. This is really amazing. As you can see, friendship is something, and unity that we'll be able to treasure for the rest of our lives only through the power of God. Bye everyone. See you.